Come to Daddy.
We have to hear it from your own lips.
Demons to some, angels to others. We want the man who did this.
Don't look at me. It opens doors. Doors to the pleasures of heaven or hell. I didn't care which.
Nobody escapes us explorers in the further regions of experience. This isn't for your eyes.
We can't. Not alone. The Cenobites gave me an experience beyond the limits. Pain and pleasure. Indivisible. You have to heal me.
Jesus wept.
Oh, no tears, please. It's a waste of good suffering. The box. You opened it. We came.
Please, God, help me.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Cotton?
Perhaps we prefer you.
We have such sights to show you.
The Cenobites. It's only a matter of time before they find I've slipped them. I must get away from here. Not leaving us so soon, are you?
It is a means to summon us.
Take it. It's yours. It always was.
You solved the box. We came. Now you must come with us. Taste our pleasures. We'll tear your soul apart.
Kirsty, it's Frank. It's Uncle Frank.
No.
You remember?
No!
Come to Daddy.